How long does it take to get a settlement in a personal injury case? Well, that really depends. You're in charge at the beginning because we can't start negotiating anything until you've completed your medical treatment. If your injuries are very serious and you receive surgery or something significant, we need to wait until you recover from the surgery, you do your physical therapy, you get back to your pre-accident status, or you've reached maximum recovery, at which point we can make some sort of disability claim or a permanent injury claim. When you're done with your treatment, then we can start negotiating the case. From there, it shouldn't take long, but that's really going to vary for everybody. Some people might be done with their treatment by the time they hire us. Some people might need treatment for another 2 years. Once you're done with treatment, though, our office is really good. We've already, by that time, we've got all the documentation related to your case, except maybe your final medical records, because you just finished. We'll grab those, and then we get the demand letter out. Then that should only take us a couple weeks, but then we put a deadline on the demand of 2 weeks for the insurance company to respond. They oftentimes will ask for an extension, which is okay. We used to give them a month. Now we only give them 2 weeks because they're going to ask for a month. so they used to always ask for more than two. So we give them a few weeks, and then we start the back and forth negotiations. This can go on for a couple weeks. This can go on for a couple months. Or we may reach a point where we aren't even able to settle and we have to go into litigation. But if we can settle, this could happen in a matter of a few months. And then after you're done with your medical treatment, and then we will negotiate with your medical providers and do that sort of stuff. And that can take another month or so. And usually once we reach a settlement, it's maybe about 30 days until you can get your settlement check. So it's not that long. The process is a lot quicker than many people think. However, we do occasionally have cases that take a few years, but that's, like I said, very complicated medical issues or very complicated liability issues. But for a straightforward personal injury case, our office averages about 10 months. It's not too long.